Alright, so we're moving on to another contestant right now, 100% talent Jamaica. As we say, we're moving artists to another level. Capable, make your way to center stage right now. We're getting so excited right now. Capable, what you have for us this week? Capable, it's been a while. Capable, walk on, brother!
Yeah, fully excited, you know the thing going on. Yeah, I say we got the whole 100% talent show, you know. All I judge them, all I contestant, you know the thing go. But I say if you get to youth, work hard and pray for the thing them and believe. Never get bad mind, no time for us say next man achieve, you see it? Because you know, we ain't do forget that. And I say, oh, watch this now. Me and you to go through whole heap of fight, you hear that? Whole heap of hard work, whole heap of sleepless night, and some people you see me and say, oh, me roll like my hype, is it? And them not even know say me, capable of boy come from outside bathroom and standpipe, is it? Yeah. Believe in a hard work. So just I say this for say that. Smokey drop rhythm. Pull up rhythm and drop it again. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. I capable again. I mean I say how the one you follow who realize you know I look no work. Is it? Tell them say don't get away. When them see you outside, don't feel hurt. Can remember one time when me have it, me all out for man go through me hardship. Now man arise and me, them one target. Two man a artist, tell about classes. Me paranoid, that's why me also like me wanted. With the 17 conceal under me armpit. Cause dirty, see me things I want for grasp it. Now help me partner see them me for reap or if you want it. Just think like shh. I just a go start stay close to my drum of them. Me stay real, me no need none of them. Man just a prepare for me some of them. I just a go start stay close to my drum of them. And me stay real, me no need none of them. Man just a prepare, yeah. What make people so easy for envy? Why you believe me, man not too friendly? It did me believe me because when my day and my needs, none of them could hurt me. Now up on the media, I'm clean, I'm trendy. From center mass to center. It mess up when they make some people get close, so later turn out for the enemy. But I just a go start stay close to my drum of them. Stay real, me no need none of them. Man just a prepare for me some of them. I go start stay close to my drum again. We stay real, me no need none of them. Man just a prepare. Time when me have it, me all out first. You know the thing going on outside.
Hey, big up myself, capable of take the man going at the ghetto, and big up every ghetto product one day, I know. I'm nothing to something, you know what I mean? Alright, Nero Malisha. Nero, what go on? Capable, you know. Alright, I'm son.
What you mean, I'm son? What you mean?
That me answer. I'm son.
Alright, you are going to King of Jail, no more good enough. Zine? So, no the dog be saying but no. Remember the dog over there? What person name again? Alright, you see it? You remember us? Alright, I'm my song that I can't trip me. My song that, you see me? But careful, my big man thing. We know the struggles, bro. And as a person, I not always listen to voice alone. Because some of the world's greatest singers, the new singers, them sound way better than them by far. And that's a message, bro. And with that said, me give you a 9. And why me give you a 9? You have a little lazy rock thing there, but I know what you say like yes, a plain land. You see me? But I just say got the one part that still it.
Thank you for that, Nero Malisha. Yes, our general. How go on, Bruce? Alright, move on to just Bruce. Bruce.
King Capable. Yeah, man, you do your thing. Lyrics are up as usual. You understand me? I say, me see you put in one extra boost of energy this week. You understand me? I say, me like that little extra boost there. So it's a solid 9 from me.
Solid 9 from the man Bruce. Alright, you know that going on. Alright, general. Yeah. What do you see you go out over there, sir?
Bad brother, bad artist Capable. Over there me I deal with. As we say, give thanks for being a part of the show. You know, your talent no stop right as say over there me I deal with. You just show people say, you know, for we give out show with talent in no matter what platform. we're willing to go out there and show our talent to the world. You overs when me I deal with, and that me respect and rate with the item. You overs when me I deal with. Song potent, the song message, well effective, properly done. You get me I deal with. Not really my problem. You see me personally just know say capable better than that. You overs when me I deal with. So big up capable. You see me I deal solid 9. You overs.
Alright, big up all the judges, capable, big up yourself. My bad boy, you know. Continue on the journey, my boss. You know what I mean? Alright, big up all contestants. Remember, whenever you forward to center stage and you're performing, remember to look straight into the camera and pay attention to the audience. Alright, stop look on the ground because I'm posting every contestant on my status right here, and everybody see them see the artist and are face down. You know what I mean? So to make sure they do the right thing. Alright, so moving on to another contestant right now, go by the name of Space Kid. Space Kid, go on, make your way to center stage, my brother. Hey, me I tell him always found with some surprising things, you know. Yeah. Big up yourself, my boss. Hey, Space Kid, go on. What you doing? What you have for you today? Turn down the beat there. Space Kid.
Alright, if you look on me proper, you know say it's a 9 to 5.
Oh, it is a 9 to 5. The man look on the mass, I used to say it is a 9 to 5.
Yes, 9 to 5.
Alright, so bring it back to see what you have. 100% talent Jamaica. Let's do this right now. Moving talent to another level. What do you mean? Space Kid. What you going with? Dramatic. Hey, this is what we're talking about right now, Space Kid. Hey, me I tell you about it. Give it up for Space Kid, the man. Round of applause to the boss. Hey, man, is affording some surprising things, you know? Yeah, alright, so we're moving on to our first judge right now, our general. What do you think about Space Kid? How that kid here behave, sir?
Yo, tremendous talent. When you talk about Space Kid, you talk about talent. You see me I deal with the man a presentation ever A1 plus. You over the me I deal the man always forward out from where him forward from is not a near distance. I'm forward out, always prepared, always ready for the show, always I give him 100%. You see me I deal with? So Space Kid, big up yourself. You see me I deal with? Me not have no problem. More than one night, the first start when the one drop them a drop is like you have to hear the drop first, then you when you know you try catch it pan the beat. You see me? But me see what I go on. You see me? So for that you know says a solid 9 same way.
Alright, thank you for that, our general. Leo Balisha. Yeah.
You know the story that pull off a while ago. And if me wrong, tell me. So the dance move is called 9 to 5. What you are doing there is something that we do every day in our 9 to 5 life, right? That's how I get from where you show me. So it's a good look for us. So you always present a message by just doing dance move without saying a word. You see me? That is a plus to me right there. You see me? I say, your presentation always up, brother. You see me? You travel from so far. What about for? What about, brother, man? Hold it, man. You see me? But I hold it, man. You see me? And thing. So always like intrigued when time I see a forward, brother. It's like, you know, me give a solid 10, bro. It's like, you always impress me, bro. You see it, and that's a solid thing. See me, determination, turn up.
He's so excited. Yes. Bruce,
Yeah,
what
man,
do you have to
wicked
say about Space
concept.
Kid?
Me impressed by the rhythm. From the rhythm start play before you start move, me impressed. You understand? Wicked choice that in a rhythm. You understand? As usual, your movements on point. There's not much to say about your movements. It's always on point. But me like the concept. The 9 to 5 concept. Show that you're working. You come to a free situation just the same. You understand? And you wear your mask as usual. So you know it's a solid 9.
Alright, Space Kid, big up yourself. Give them 2 move the boss. Give them 2 move the boss. Yeah. It's 100% talent Jamaica. Sky Pusher this year. Do it.
Alright. The boss say a second round because they know say it's solid and ready. I'm gonna say big up all of the ladies them, you know? Okay, yeah. Me love the look, me say you're carving a go and girl, you're hot and sexy everywhere you carry on. Pop, me say my girl, hold on. Cause you not to touch my body for me, I gun turn on, yeah. Me love the look, me say you're carving a go and girl, you're hot and sexy everywhere you carry on. Pop, me say my girl, hold on. Cause you not to touch my body for me, I gun turn on, yeah. Baby girl, you really get me on a level. Face and physique is like you're born in a every bud. No play the Lila girl, them code a seal a 7, yeah. Pretty girls always possessed with the devil bud. Baby, hear me, yeah, give me some of that. And now all night rollings, I went a girl run flat. She said, honey, me say, try not tell me stop. When me wake in the morning, be a crab in the back. She said, me love the look of me, the style in a go and girl hot and sexy everywhere you carry on. Pop, me say my girl, hold on. Cause you not to touch my body for me, I gun turn on, yeah. Me love the look, me say you're crab in a go and girl hot and sexy everywhere you carry on. Pop, me say my girl, hold on. Cause you not to touch my body for me, raving turn on. She said, baby, hear me, yeah, give me some of that. And now all night rollings, I went a girl run flat. She said, hear me. You know people, we outside. Sky Brain, Sky Pusher. Well easy.
Hey, man, tell you the song is very exciting. We have to call for that a second shot. You know what I mean? Sky Pusher. Alright, first judge, Harry General. What you mean? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Remember good, no, man.
Yo, Vaz. No. It's when you talk about bad artists, you talk about real hardcore artists, you talk about Sky Pusher. You see me I deal with them man your talent no stop right here, so. Yo, Vaz, when me I deal with the song right now, the song ready. When last we hear a song like you know the voice powerful more than the arc when now are full. Yo, Vaz, but anyway, as me say, Miss Alexis and them ones are the artists who really sing for the female them from back in the 90s, early 2000s. Yo, Vaz, and a long time we don't hear a song like them there. So it's a really potent song. Now, as when me I tell you, you have an empress where they over here cheer for you. And she want you to draw up on the stage. Yo, Vaz, when me I deal with and shell down the place. And I want the place to shell down. Yo, Vaz, when me I deal with, I want the place to shell down. Yo, Vaz, if it was a big stage show, at that Sky push out and do because I'm no stage show though. Yo, Vaz, when me I deal with, so you don't know the thing go. Solid 9, my God, arrow them.
And for me right away still, you don't know. Man always put up a performance, Bridget. You understand? Him always DJ like a sting. You know what I mean? So a solid 9 for me said way. Puff.
Yeah, man, as the #1 contender, you deliver again. You understand what I say? Yeah, man, you got showtime settings. Yeah, man, now that's the arrow. Alright, see, man, murder is showtime. Yeah, man, deal with the showtime rhythm, crab it. Is what I say? Impressive, you see me? So it's a solid 10 from me.
Alright, Sky Pusher, big up yourself. I just want to big up Sky Pusher Entertainment, see me here. You know what thing going on? Yeah. Pusher Entertainment. Big up my general. You know anything going on? Oh, you mean? One Sky Pusher. Oh, you mean 100% talent Jamaica. This is how we do it. Moving artists to another level. You know it go? Oh, you mean? Hey, all talent excited. Everybody know we're excited. All the judge them excited. Female excited. All the girl them excited. Smokey and Mix and him excited. Our general and judge him excited. All Bruce them excited. Nero Malisha excited. We are back right now, 100% talent Jamaica. And big up all the viewers out there, you know, we are looking on our favorite contestants. Want to just make sure you now put in a vote for them. And right now, we are back right now. So, we're moving on to our next contestants right now. Black Talent, make your way to center stage. You don't know the thing, 100% talent Jamaica. We're really excited for all contestants. Big up all the judges. Big up on yourself. You know it go. I'm your host, Million Dollar Voice. Black Talent, make your way to center stage. Hey, them say you're excited. What you deal with?
Real and proper way. Everything go fine. Run the rhythm. Yo, you know where I represent the ladies. You never get the feeling you believe me now. Me mess up but me still no want you leave you know. Just like a pillow so me hold you when me squeezing you. And anyway the rider take me a pre-fi go. Alright, anything at all. Are you the king of call? You know hitch up in a brawl. You make me stand up for you, maybe not fall. Stand beside me like a soccer match and with the inner wall. Hey, anything at all. Run a video with me finger on your belly skin a crawl. You make me stand up for you, maybe not fall. Stand beside me like a soccer match and with the inner wall. Bubble you so where you turn up at the right spot. Tell a nigga you no pad up at the tight spot. No gonna riot but your body price shot. Man I said trap, you are no one of the mice rat. Hey, give you something for go tell you vet and pot. Girl your body and no gun but it the pancake all. Tamika we tell you say she bet and flap. But if you shoulda cut me woulda regret and flat car. Anything at all. Are you the king of call? You know hitch up in a brawl. You make me stand up but for you maybe not fall. Stand beside me like a soccer match and with the inner wall. Hey, anything at all. Run a video with me finger on your belly skin a crawl. You make me stand up but for you maybe not fall. Stand beside me like a soccer match and with the inner front of your family, me I tell you I do. You up on a rolling passage when me slide through. Dry up your tears, me not happy when you cry boo. Me couldn't avoid you with the eagle eye glue. You keep me cool, you keep me fresher than a eye glue. Fi sleep without you, made a prefer than a night Jew. Me admire the way we get along I like you. Nail drive, but nothing no better than a tight screw. Anything at all. Are you the king of call? You know hitch up in a brawl. You make me stand up but for you maybe not fall. Stand beside me like a soccer match and with the inner wall. Hey, anything at all. Run a video with me finger on your belly skin a crawl. You make me stand up but for you maybe not fall. Stand beside me like a soccer match and with the inner wall. Go get a rough as a the corner stall. Cause from you get the touch you can't stop call. She say me tougher than a hard rock wall. She grab the bat and she no left the black ball. So me pick her up, make anywhere she go, she proud. Cause the loving where she give me make me touch it cloud. And me love the humility, yeah she no feel loud. She said it to her, we feel the one and we love the crowd.
Remember that Black Talent is here for you. Hey, big up yourself, my general, always a deliver, you know. Like the energy, you mean? Bruce, hey, it's starting with you, you know. Black Talent is here.
Yeah, Black Talent. The lyrics they're up on thing, but I have one problem though. Your tune this week sound like last week, and last week sound like the week before. Even though the lyrics them change, the pattern are the same. The rhythm change, but the pattern are the same. You understand? So me that like to say you come with a different style. You understand? You have a gangster rocker going like what Arrow did mention the last time. So everything good for me except that little thing there. So I make you go and hold on for 6 for now. Then I may look for your improve on that.
Alright, thank you for that. Words of advice, Bruce. Nero Malisha.
Alright, so for me, still I was listening carefully. And as I said, still Black Talent is somebody where you can't break down by just giving him a number. You know what I mean? You can't break it down. I've been doing this a long time. You understand? So our numbers though are just based on different perspective. Different understanding and stuff. I give you 8. As I say, The voice not have to always good. The lyrics, the message, bro. And again, some of the greatest singers, them voice sound trashy. But the message why them became the greatest. So you understand? So big up yourself, is it?
Thank you for that, new Abolisher Arrow.
Yo, Vaz.
Yeah.
Yo, Vaz. Black talent. Big up yourself, my general. Great artist. Original DJ. You see me, I realize a lot of artists kind of astray from the culture of being a DJ to more a sing J. But I say you stick to the originality and dancehall want more DJs right now. You overs me I deal with. So big up yourself, you see me? I love the song, but I just think it should deliver a bit more better in terms of clarity. You overs me I deal with. So we couldn't hear more way I say. But with that said, me give you a 7 same way, my God, manners.
Alright, big up all the judges, black talent, big up yourself for you mean lyrical artists, bad artists. You know what go already, you know. So 100% talent Jamaica, moving artists to another level. And that was black talent, moving on to another contestant. Hey, this man go by the name of Hammerman. Hammerman. I wonder if you more with the hammer today. Hammerman. Hammerman. Hammer them. Hammerman. Hammer them. Wagwan. What you have for with a weekend, my boss?
Come on, respect. I have to come out with the best this week, you know? I got to take you down the seashore tonight. I don't care about next door. Tonight. Come take a swing in on my swing song. Come take a swing in on my swing song. Dear hot girl in on my swing, just come in on the swing. Yeah, the swinger it's so strong. America girl in on my swing song. Canadian girl in on my swing song. Japanese girl in a me swing song. England girl in a me swing song. Girl from Europe in a me swing song. African girl in a me swing song. Caribbean girl in a me swing. Just come in a the swing, yeah, the swinger it's so strong. Let down your ear in a me swing. Put on your tongue in a me swing. Try your laundry against me swing. Beer hot girl in a me swing. Who build the swing song of Mr. Chong? Which part him come from a Hong Kong? Tiger him tell you about Bam Bam. Open up your ears and listen to this one, yo. Run on me about me and me swing. Pa me front lawn me and me swing. Girl I back it up in a me swing. Suffocated girl in a me swing. Come take a swing in a me swing song. Come take a swing in a me swing song. Dear hot girl in a me swing, just come in on the swing, yeah, the swinger it's so strong. America.
Hey, I know me can't stop laugh. Big up our man. Hey, me I tell you, I'm really bring it. Me not know, but I want every girl in my swing song right now. All type of girl in the swing song. All right, so our first judges right now, Bruce. You want a girl in your swing song? All right, Bruce, we can hear what you have to say about this song, man. Swing song.
The song, well potent. Every line, every lyrics, every verse. We listen it out. All the ladies them feel special and want to ride for the swing song. You understand what I say? Yeah, man. So, from me, it's a solid 10 that. I love the performance. It's a big step up for you. You understand what I say? Yeah, so I'm interested to hear where your favorite judge Nira is about that one. Yeah.
Yes, bro, so like him plan for that one. Yeah,
because you know, I don't like when they tell lie. You know? I'm a man. Why? But nah, here we go on. The song the creative, my G. Understand? I get to realize your style is just different. You know what I mean? Me, I have to just accept that you're not going to change. And you know, if you sing for change me anyways, because I'm just a little fraction of the whole entire world. You understand? But I think that was a creative song. You actually make me laugh today still. Yeah. You actually make me laugh today still. You know what I mean? Yeah, so I'm going to give you a 9 for that still. I'm not lying. You actually
How me here, I'm see all the answer like I said, Jesus Christ, I hate this now, you know. Now the number song after this, I get a 0, you know. But yeah, you did it. I'm realizing you're doing this competition, you're not just for the money, but for the platform, not for the people. I'm still not understand. So you have to pay extremely for ear time. You understand? So when I get a platform, we can go and I think biography. It's a good lead. Zane, so big up yourself.
All right, thank you for that, Nero Balisha. What you mean? All right, General, you need a girl in the ear swing song?
Yo, boss. Yeah, I'm a man. Yeah, that song there, well creative. You see me I deal it? No, well creative, because you don't know the popular term, the popular song by Lady Song. You see me? So that refix the bad. You see me I did when the presence when you forward on the stage and we hear the rhythm start play, you know, you draw everybody attention. You see me, even if you did up on a big stage show, you don't draw everybody attention. You over and you see your first few lines, the stage show mash up. When me say stage show lift up. You over and me I deal with, but here we go on now. You see going into the song, like Jamaica girl pa me swing song, Barbados girl pa me swing song, New Jersey, Africa. The song don't really have a whole heap of lyrics tonight. You over them me I deal with. So the song shouldn't take more lyrics. You see me? So with that me give a solid 8. You see me? Bad me General.
Alright, thank you for that. Alright, General. 100% talent Jamaica. Hey, we open to keep our man, you know what I mean? Just to put in the vote right now. But want a girl for me swing song. I make she ball out ching long. Right, pull up! 100% talent Jamaica. That's a go on right now. Hey, me I tell you, what go on? Hey, next in line. Yeah, I think we have to go for a small commercial break, you know. We will be right back. Alright, so we're going for a break right now. 100% talent Jamaica. What you mean? Want a girl that I would swing song right now? Yeah, going for a small break. We'll be right back.
Let's go. Yeah. For those of you that want to know what we're all about, it's like this, y'all. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15%
Yes, about go in there. Forward, make your way to center stage. Yeah. Yeah, you have a rhythm for him, Smokey. Pick up yourself, my brother. Introduce yourself to Jamaica and the world. Like how you forward, you have to perform. Do it, yeah?
That's right. You don't know a J Loyal in me, I say big up 100% talent show. You don't know. Alright, G, bros. Yeah. That's right. I for met this.
What's that on that beat?
A J Loyal. A J Loyal. A J Loyal. I for met this official. Flow so sicker than a retard, so she want come touch the G-car. So unpredictable like the visas, gala go crazy like some hyenas. Flow so sicker than a retard, so she want come touch the G-car. Me heart so unpredictable like that. Gala go crazy like some. So me not in a bag of lyrics. All them a chit chat, you a be a gimmicks. Talk them a talk, just call them lippies. Cause none of them no better than J Loyalists. Official link pon the block, yeah me repeat. All of me hot girl them way a bangis. Lyrics are the bullet to me gunna so me clap it. A fi reload pan tracker so me knock it. Lyrics are me commission so me ever stash it. A fi reload pan track so me cash it. That hot girl like make them happy. Want put me in a them house and padlock it. Worry, hey girl kidnap me. Do what you wanna do make me feel. She call me the J, the captain the. Do what you wanna do make me feel. Flow so sicker than a retard, so she want come touch the J. Call me hard so unpredictable like the visas. Girl I go crazy like some hyenas. Girl them love off the G. Call me hard so unpredictable like the visas. Girl I go crazy like. Me say me fly like the rocket. Flow them me got it. Lyrics say me lock it. Them shot like hemotic. Two speakers me knock it. Brain psychotic, polluted like chronic. Girl say it erratic, make them wine and drop it. Them was hypnotic, we rolling with knockers. Lyrical illmatic when them one day run and them drop it. That's right, flow so sicker than a retard. So she want come touch the J. Call me hard so unpredictable like the visas. Girl I go crazy like some flow so sicker than a. Don't know, G Loyal, 100% talent. That's right.
Big up yourself, G Loyal. How you mean? May I tell you, Ara General. All the performance go G Loyal. Him there. Excited to, you know.
Yo, boss. G Loyal, big up yourself. You know what I mean? Big up yourself, my general. You know what I mean? We don't know the circumstances what make you partially late today, but you still forward out. Yeah, we give thanks for you being here, seeing we are part of the competition. You see me I deal with? Yeah, the song bad. I really like the rhythm still. You know what I mean? But me don't know a flow and you see me I deal with the artist. You see me I deal, so you know we're multi-talented. You see me I deal, but me is just a youth not feel like that was the right rhythm choice. Yo, was me I deal with? Yeah, you see me I deal with. So with that said, you know me give you a bad 7, same way my boss.
Thank you for that, Ara General. Bruce.
Yeah, man, flow sicker than a retard. You understand? That was sit down comfortable upon a showtime rhythm. So, me that want to see a tackle one dance already. Me know say he's a crossover artist. You understand me I say? But most DJs them and the judges were there are hardcore dancehall personalities. You understand me I say? So you would get a better score if you just make the crossover there. And I know you can do it. You understand me I say? So it's a solid 8 from me. You understand? So I want to see what you can come with next. You see me? Floor 6 still.
Sicker than. Big up yourself, G Loyal. Manners and respect. You excited for real, you know what I mean? 100% talent Jamaica. Hey, may I tell you? I have some reach now, you know. You don't know. I eat that for the evening, you know what I mean? And I just want to big up all the contestants them and big up all the people them who are putting the votes. And I big up on yourself because remember, so without Uno, there is no contestant in this competition. So keep on voting for your favorite artists. You know what I mean? Your favorite contestants. And that's right there, you know. 100% talent Jamaica. You know, you go hyper, big up yourself. You know, the winning round a week, yeah. You know what I mean? Sky Pusher. You know what I mean? Space Kid. So you don't know them, say next week. You know how that's something they go. Alright? So 100% talent Jamaica. Remember, motivate all young talents. And that's what we are talking about. So we're moving them to another level, Ara General, right? Alright, so we're announcing the winners and the top performance for this week, today. Alright, 100% talent Jamaica. Alright, so remember we're going by the votes. Alright, so you know the votes make everything work on here. So now, yes, so winners for today, Sky Pusher, Space Kid, Hyper. A tie. So it's a time going right there, so.
Yeah. In all essence of 100% talent show, you know, we cater for not just artists, DJs and singers, but we also have dancers. So in the tie you have right now, you have Sky Pusher, you have Hype, and you have Space Kid. So you know, says 1 dancer and 2 artists that. So as we say, in all reference to 100% talent, everybody is a winner. So how would I do a tie like that? Would I just split the 25k within 3 person? You understand? And each and everyone go home satisfied as a winner same way, you see me? So that's how we deal with it, you see me?
Alright, thank you for that, Ara General. Fully said and fully done. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Me like what I go on. This is how we motivate all the artists. So them say they have a tie. So the tie, you know it go. Alright, so we are going to share that joy there. Big up on yourself, alright? How you mean? 100% talent Jamaica, you know it excited right now. You don't know, it's all about 100% talent Jamaica. I don't know, it's all about we reach to a part where you say, hey, this is the end of the show, you know what I mean? Sky Pusher, pick up yourself and close out the show. You know what I mean? Remember, all viewers out there, remember to keep on voting for all contestants, you know what I mean? Just look for your favorite artists and put in a vote for them. Because I'm very excited here on the 100% Talent Jamaica. And I just want to big up all the staff and big up everybody who make this possible. I'm your host, $1 Million Voice. So I don't know what thing go. Keep on voting, alright? Hey!